welcome back, and I am thankful that today is the weekend because I have so much to do. As you can see, I had laundry, or at least the dried laundry that I need to take care of. I have a lot of pieces that need some steaming because I have a lot of linen pieces, silk pieces, so I'll be doing that today. I also need to clean my room because it has been messy. So, but first we gotta drink some coffee and then eat some food because I'm hungry. And then after that, I do have a small gathering at a friend's house, so I look forward to that. This is my outfit for today. I am obsessed with this shirt. It is gorgeous, lovely. It's sheer, of course, from Reformation, and then I have my cami under it as well. I have my silk skirt on the bottom. This is the earring I'm wearing. It is a bit of a like curve hoops, which is very cool and unique. It is silver. I actually don't wear a lot of silver, so I'm glad to wear them today because I love silver as much as I love gold pieces. However, I do have a lot of pieces in my closet that work well with gold, so that's why I wear a lot of gold, but every now and then I pop in the silver. Breakfast is here, coffee is here. I am extremely hungry. So good. This is very simple yogurt with some crushed nuts, coconut flakes, and then some honey. Refreshing, light, creamy, healthy. Now I'm gonna watch something. This yogurt is so good. what you have just witnessed are all of my beautiful nail collection, the soak off gel nail, the dip powder, and some few nail polishes. Unfortunately, I have found out that I am allergic to the chemical. Because of that, I'm throwing all of them away, which I am extremely sad because I love feeling feminine and I love having different nail colors on my hand, and I just absolutely love the creativity of it. However, I do have to prioritize my health first. I found out that I was sensitive to the chemical or the ingredients in the nail polish were way back in high school. As a result, I never went to nail salon. I have always done my own nails at home, and those has always been the regular nail polish, and I didn't really necessarily love the smell of it. However, it was tolerable. And then recently, about 2 years or so ago, I experiment with the poly gel and then the soak off gel nail and also the dip powder. The reason why I love them so much was because it stayed on my nails much longer. I would say 2 to 3 weeks or so max, which was amazing. The regular nail polish never stayed that long on my nails. It probably stayed for like about few hours and then it chipped off, which was not fun. It was so time consuming because of that. That's why I took the route in the poly gel, soak off gel nails, and the dip powder. And then the more I applied them, I would say within like over 6 months or so ago, I noticed extreme reaction. So crazy. I didn't know at first what was going on. I thought maybe my health was degrading, and then all of a sudden 3 weeks ago, as I was applying the products on my nails, the smell was so strong. I did not like it, and then also I start seeing the reaction as well. And then I kind of put in the pieces together. After I was done applying my nails, I realized this may be the reason why I am experiencing all of the symptoms. Now, I still kept the products on my nails, and then every day I still experience the symptoms as well. So I decided to take the nails off, and immediately I saw the symptoms went away, no reaction, and it felt amazing. It's so crazy how chemicals and ingredients impacted my health so much, and I'm so glad that I was able to find it out earlier, and now I'm finally parting ways with them, even though I love putting nail polish on my nails because it is beautiful. So in the meantime, I don't have anything on my nails. This is my nails, all natural, no product. Hopefully in the future I will find something that is good for my sensitive skin. Now, I did do a little bit of research trying to find the regular nail polish that are natural and good for my skin, that last a bit longer than the typical regular nail polish. So if you see me in the future with my colorful nails on camera, that probably will be regular nail polish. We'll see. If they last about a week or so, that'll be worth my time, but if not, then that's just not worth it. So I'll just have my bare nothing on my hands. That was my sad story, but it's okay. It is what it is. And now let's go ahead and hang out with some friends. Good morning! I am on my way to the vineyard. I love going to the winery, to the vineyard. I'm so glad that my friend is able to join me, so we'll be spending the rest of the day there, chilling, eating, and drinking some wine. I look forward to the trip. I made sure to eat breakfast and had my coffee, so I'm all energized and fueled. I can go to the vineyard on any weekend because I love it so much. Whether it is springtime, fall, summer, winter, it is always fun.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty.
So we are here. We're about to get some wine.
We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count. Come on now and take my hand.
But I'm gonna do it like
This is light and refreshing.
Hey, darling,
yeah,
love it when it's me and
I like it.
road with a couple
And this is the
of
second one.
tunes and a carpet too. Hey,
Ooh,
darling,
I like that too.
you know we're gonna have
Subtle.
a really good time.
Really good.
this one I think is my
Driving
favorite
in the
one.
middle of the
The
night,
last two
the
are the
stars
same.
are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it.
I'm getting my food now. I am hungry. The vineyard is just spectacular. It is beautiful. The wine I have tried so far has been so good as well.